Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create account on Gemini. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Gemini app on your phone. Now right afterwards, you will find this option of get started and login. To create it, tap on get started and tap on continue. You're gonna select your country from over here and choose your language. Tap on next. Now add in your name and your last name. Tap on next again. Enter your email address and tap on next again. Add in the password. Tap on create account. Okay, and you can see we are simply facing the connection error for now. You're going to simply tap on create account and your account will be created likewise, and that is it. That is basically how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.